it's a whole learning curve trying to learn the electric stuff, learning from all the new tool vendors out, what's up with the scan tools and all the other stuff coming out.
We've actually been pulling out the high voltage battery and reinstalling it on this Chevy Bolt over and over, just so that people can get an idea of what's involved and realize that it's something that they can do with the proper knowledge, training, and safety equipment.
You need to understand the system so you know where the danger lies, or where it doesn't. So that's really what we're here to find out. I haven't seen it done with a Ford factory tool before, so that's good to know. And we have a Ford factory tool at the shop.
And Joe's Garage is amazing. You got plenty of people to interact with. Everybody's willing to come up and help you and give you their information. I love it.